Welcome back, guys. It's Skeptic from Skeptic Lab. In this video, we are diving into Bitcoin from cycles to future triggers. Let's get started. As always, we'll kick off with the daily time frame to identify our main structures and trends. After a 20% upward move and hitting ATH, being toward a price correction, first off, it's obvious we have higher highs and higher lows. So it's clearly a bullish trend for Bitcoin based on the authority. During the current bearish move, as you can see, our volume decreased, indicating that the majority of market participants don't want to trade in this direction or zone, whatever. So if you want to open a short position, the probability of getting stopped out is massive in this specific cycle. So it's also against the high wave cycle, as you can see. We are currently reacting at a daily support level. If it breaks downside, the next support would be at the blue line. So that could be your target if you go short after the downside break. Meanwhile, our resistance is at $112,000, and breaking it would give a solid long trigger. But you would need a large stop loss since it would be the first wave after uptrend with higher risk. Now let's move on to the little bro 4-hour time frame to catch some fresh future triggers based on price action. At the low wave cycle, it's obvious we have bearish momentum. You can spot it via DMI getting larger and larger while volume is increasing too. So here's the deal. In this cycle, it's nonsense to go long until we see a clear higher highs and high lows. Otherwise, decrease your risk and position size. But for shorts, if we react one more time to the support, well, then go short after breaking it down with a stop loss above the range we shaped. Otherwise, ignore the first bearish leg and wait for a second correction. Because at this point, with DMI that massive, you would have to set a large stop loss, which decreases your risk ratio. Waiting for a second reaction would decrease your stop loss and increase the risk ratio. You got it, right? Finally, let's check BTC.D, the dominance of Bitcoin. It's obviously bearish, so money is flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins. Check altcoins for early line triggers. I just uploaded an Ethereum analysis yesterday, so just hold your ass and go watch it. If it helped, give it a boost and subscribe for more. Until the next analysis, save out of FOMO, control your risk, and peace out.